Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Pagani Zonda R in Rosso, Dubai. And this is new for the latest release, and I got this from Two Monster Shop. You can go check them out by going to their store in Tamarine Square, Cyberjaya, or you can buy it from their TikTok or Shopee page. Or if you're living in overseas and if you want to get this car, maybe you can go get it from the Tarmac Works website while stocks last. And yeah, I guess that's all. So here is the Pagani Zonda R in Rosso, Dubai. This is my second Pagani in this Rosso, Dubai color. The first Pagani that I've done a review of was the Pagani Imola, if you do remember about that. That was a previous review that I've ever done. And here is yet another Rosso Dubai Pagani, which is yeah, currently really new if you ask me. And as you can see, the box style right here, which is cool. Black on the top, red on the bottom, thin white stripe right there. You have the side view of the car, which is nice. Pagani Zonda R Rosso Dubai Tarmac. Here is the other side. There is the back of the car. Over here it says Pagani right there, which is nice. On the top it says Global 64. And the back, pretty simple, Zonda R. And let's take a look at the bottom. So Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good, 1/64 scale, Pagani Zonda R Rosso Dubai. And there's the barcode if you need it, and made in China. And let's go ahead and open this up. Here is the Pagani Zonda R. As you can see, this is quite a long Pagani, as this is a race car. And is it road legal? I cannot really recall. But I know for the fact it is absolutely track legal. I just don't remember whether it's road legal or not. I know less about this Pagani Zonda R, if you ask me personally. If you ask me about the Huayra, yes, I really do like the Huayra. That is one of the great cars. The Zonda R, not so much. The regular Zonda, yes, that's an old, very nice exotic car. Here we have also an exotic car, just that this is the Zonda R. It is slightly longer, as you can tell, and then you have the existence of the massive rear wing at the back right there, a sleeker front design, and also rear design as well, colored in Rosso Dubai plus metallic black, as you can tell. Not sure why the box only describes it as Rosso Dubai only, where it has a combination of black and also a slight touch of white. You can see that there are some white tiny stripes right there on the sides, and of course obviously the black is almost everywhere as well. Just that I don't really know why they didn't include like the color of the metallic black, but I guess it's fine. Yeah, Rosso Dubai, very nice color right here. Like what I've reviewed the previous Pagani, which was the Pagani Imola in Rosso Dubai. Similar to this, we have the Zonda R Rosso Dubai. So let's go take a closer look at the Pagani Zonda R. So we shall start from the side of the car right here. Let's start from the wheels. So black dot wheels are these 5, 6, 7, 8 spoke rims, which are, I guess, pretty nice. Colored in black rims. And yeah, you do have the rubber tires. Just if you're wondering, if you don't know, there are chase versions available for this version, this car as well. But they do not change the color of the car's body. Instead, they changed the color of the rims of the car. Instead of these blacked out rims, they give sort of like a bronze or sort of orangish rims, which is interesting. But obviously what I have with me right now is obviously not a chase, so I guess we're good to go. So obviously you do have a line right here, the blacked out stripe right here at the bottom half, and then you do have a slightly tiny white stripe right here moving from the back towards the front, moving downwards. So you do have, I believe this is Zonda, I'm not entirely sure, which is nice. You do have the Rosso Dubai part right here from the top part right here, which is nice. Absolutely clean on the side right here, love to see it. You do have the side mirror here as well. Are these plastic or are these rubber? I would say, I think it's rubber side mirrors, I think. So yeah, blacked out rubber side mirrors, I think, which is nice. Moving down to the front of the car, you do have the headlights of the car detailed right here, which are nice. You do have the detail of the front of the hood right here, moving towards the windshield, which is actually pretty cool, colored in black towards the back, actually, not the windshield, which is nice. And other parts of the car is basically Rosso Dubai. And then you do have some black bits right here at the bottom where the grille is, and obviously some intakes right here on the front as well, which looks crazily nice. Do these come with canards? Are these canards? I think they are. Yeah, they are canards. On each side, yes, there are canards, which are nice. So regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, left-hand drive, and windshield banner says Pagani right there with a touch of the Italian flag, which is nice. Even some hood intakes right here. Roof intake for aerodynamics of the roof, and of course to lessen down the drag, of course. You can see that there are some intakes here as well, if I'm not mistaken. Are these? I think these are intakes, I think. Yeah, so you have black, metallic black moving towards the back, like I said just now, from the front. Here is the other side, just if you're wondering. Pretty much the same thing, not much of a difference, but still pretty nice. Moving towards the back, here's where the massive rear spoiler comes in, and it looks pretty great. I think plastic rear spoiler, yep. So there are 4 supports, one on this side, 2 in the middle, and 1 on this side. The 2 in the middle are colored in sort of a grayish color. 2 on the sides obviously colored in black, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, which is nice. Nothing on the top of the spoiler, just if you're wondering. And then you do have the rear lights right here. So there are rear lights, but they are touched in yellow right here, which is interesting. It says Zonda R right here. You do have the quad exhaust tips right here at the back, 4 exhaust tips right here in the middle at the back, which are nice. You can see the system right there at the back as well for the exhaust system at the back. And then you do have these massive rear diffusers right here at the bottom. Since this is a race car, obviously you do have diffusers along with it. Moving towards the bottom of the car. So blacked out base, metal blacked out base, Tarmac Works 164, Pagani Zonda R, made in China. Overall, quite a nice looking Pagani. Would it be better than the Imola? I don't think so. I think the Imola still wins it, even though this is a latest release. It still looks pretty cool, and not gonna lie, I really do like it. In Rosso Dubai, there are several other colors available for this car as well, And not to mention, I actually forgot to mention, this car is also known as a safety car. There are several safety car versions of this. I believe one of it is colored in dark blue. That is a safety car for, I'm not sure which country, but it does come with sirens on the top of the roof, which is actually pretty interesting. And overall, basically this one's not the safety car version, obviously. So yeah, overall it's quite nice looking Pagani Zonda R. Obviously it's pretty long, and yeah, overall quite a nice race car. You can get yours from 2 Monster Shop, like I said, while stocks last. And yeah, once again I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.